drive your for about seconds, you gonna complain about it?
Oh yeah, I did 211. I did 11 years for 211. You think I'm gonna let a motherfucker 211 be?
My boy, I'm just asking you, why does your Glock
Where
look
yours
so...
at?
Right here.
Where yours? Oh,
Right
go
here.
ahead. Let's see you get in it. Go ahead.
You gonna give me the keys?
Go ahead.
Give me the keys. Give me the keys. My boy.
Oh wait.
Give me the keys.
Grab my keys.
Give me the keys. Give me the keys.
Let me grab my keys.
Give me the keys.
Grab my keys.
Give me the keys. Give me the keys.
Yeah, let me grab my
My boy, you think I'm scared of a...
Shouldn't be.
Yeah, I shouldn't be.
Yeah. You
Yeah.
ain't. You don't even know you're talking to. Bro.
I don't really give a...
See, you got a death wish, huh?
No, for sure. For sure.
That's good.
Every gangster does.
Huh?
Every gangster does, right?
But you playing with it, man. You don't even know you're talking to.
You know what I mean? I'm just asking you why your car
Where
looks
yours?
so good.
Let me see your car.
I mean, if I was driving, I wouldn't be driving that shit right
Okay,
there.
where yours at?
Hey, I wouldn't be driving there.
Where yours at?
That one's pretty nice over there.
Yeah,
You know what I
where
mean? I
yours
might
at?
give it to my girl.
Right, where yours at?
You know what I mean?
You know him?
Huh.
Okay.
You don't know me, G.
Where yours at?
Hey, right there.
Let's see you get in it.
What'd you call me?
You heard me. What's that?
What'd you call me?
What's that? I'm tired of playing with you. You
Do I
talking
look
to...
black to you, my boy?
Huh? Yeah, you do.
I ain't black, homie.
Okay.
I'm Mexican as a mother.
Okay, I got Mexican partners. Yeah, what you playing with me for?
You know what I mean?
What you playing with me for?
I just asked you how you...
What you playing with me for, though? That's what I'm asking you.
Yeah, you know I'm playing with you.
Why you playing? Why you playing
I
with me?
mean, every gangster got a
Why
taste
you
for it,
playing
baby.
with me?
You know what I mean?
Why you playing with me?
I'm glad you know I'm playing.
Why you playing with me?
Go on, man, let's go. The Carter again, mother. Straight bitch style.
No.
Hell no. He was on demon time as soon as we pulled up.
Yeah?
Yeah. I saw that.
Talk about what my girl say, why your car look gay.